This is Eyewitness News. My name is Tulisile Manuele, and today with me this morning we have Mr. Godfrey Majoni Chipare. Mr. Chipare, it has come to our attention that 7 South Africans are detained by your government in Zimbabwe over the claims that they do not have their legal papers to be in the country. Can you please just explain on that matter?
Yeah, first of all, I'm Mr. Chipare from Zimbabwean Embassy. I'm the spokesperson of the Zimbabwean Embassy. And yes, it is true. We've detained 7 of South African people who have crossed the border illegally. And that is what has happened. And we will let the law take its course.
All right, Mr. Chipare. And what about those who are illegal in South Africa? Whom are you from your country?
That is a South African matter. It's not a Zimbabwean matter. The two countries, they are working on different, constitution. Our laws are not similar to South African laws. We are an independent country. We are dealing with our own constitution, whereby South Africa is dealing with its own constitution. And just to tell South African people who are watching this, they must understand from the Zimbabwean embassy, here is a message. Zimbabwe is not a hotel whereby you can go and rest. You need to come here with proper papers. You don't just walk in and walk out. It's not a spaza. This is a state, an independent state that was, attained from blood, sweat and tears. We have fought very hard. That is why even today we are still paying for the price of our own country, and we take a pride in our country. We don't want people to come here, and subjugate our country to obscenity. This is total nonsense. It is halabaloo, and we are saying to the people of South Africa, be careful. Stop crossing the borders without papers, because we will deal with you. The prison here in Zim, they are not the same conditions as the prison where they will prevail, happiness in prison. Here we will deal with you. We can even send bees to sting you at night whilst you are sleeping. So you must be very careful. We are not a banana republic whereby we are going to massage the feelings of people who come here illegally. Even on the internet, when you dial on the website, it will tell you that, can you please tell us if you are robot or human? Because it wants to deal with a human. We also want to know if we are dealing with human. When we check the papers, that is when we can check your criminal records, your whatever. That is a procedure, a standard normal procedure people are failing to adhere to. Those are the rules. And we are a constitutional country whereby we will deal with you accordingly. We are not your president here. We will deal with you.
On the last note, can you just please explain, or rather tell us, are those people going to be sentenced, or are you going to deport them?
Hush.
Back to South Africa?
No. We are going to make sure that they receive a harsh sentence here in Zimbabwe. We are not playing games here. We don't have presidents who take, trips on the expense of selling out their own people, taking trips, jumping up and down in planes to meet who? With businessmen over coffee, embarrassing and mocking his own nation on international level. He must understand the platform that he had. He exposed his weakness. We are Zimbabwe. And don't come here, South Africans, and tell us that you have illegal Zimbabweans in South Africa. That is your issue. Deal with it. We are dealing with our own issues. If we are letting our law, do his work, that means we are working. If you're not working, that is your business. It's not none of our business. We are two countries. We have different standards, policies. We have different ethics and codes of conduct. So we cannot do things the same. Zimbabwe is as sharp as a knife. We are dealing with people accordingly, and we are saying no to nonsense.